PowerPoint University has always been about helping you create better visuals.
We started with presentations, design, and visual communication.
But the world of content creation is changing fast. Today, ideas can become videos, visuals, and powerful stories. That's why PowerPoint University is evolving into something bigger. Welcome to AI University, where you'll learn how to turn ideas into videos, visuals, explainers, and real creative output with AI.
The journey continues, only bigger, smarter, and more creative than ever.
AI University, where ideas become powerful visual stories.